Because we do have Mohammad Azharuddin also with my colleague Uma Sudhir. Mohammad Azharuddin is now part of the Telangana cabinet and Uma Sudhir is with us.
Yes, indeed. I have with me Mohammad Azharuddin. Many congratulations, first of all. After 2 years, the Congress has appointed you as a minister now in the cabinet. What is your wish list? What is the portfolio that you would like?
No, I think this portfolio thing is actually it depends on the CM, because CM will take a call, whatever the CM gives, and I think I'm ready to work for it, and I'm ever so thankful to the Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy Saab, and he's always been my very big supporter, and I always have gone to him if there is any issues. But I'm so happy that he gave me this opportunity, and also thank the whole High Command, Kharge ji, Rahul ji, Sonia ji, K.C. Venugopal ji, and especially big thanks to Meenakshi ji, Vishwanath sir, who's our in charge, and then Mahesh Gaud saab, and these are all the cabinet people who really recommended my name for the MLC. I'm ever so thankful. I'm really looking forward to this new opportunity, because I made my cricketing debut on the 31st of December. So I think today is also 31st of October. So I'm looking forward to, I hope it's a very good thing, because my debut was good at that time. Inshallah, I'm hoping that this debut today also will be very good. Inshallah, I'm looking forward to working for the downtrodden and upliftment of the poor people in the state. And
not without controversy, the BJP said this is violation of model code, because hardly 10 days before a by-poll, which you incidentally contested also, you are being made a minister just to appease a minority community.
No, I think there's nothing like that, because I think the problem here is, because they've already complained to the election commission or whatever it may be. But I think I'm not really interested in what is happening. That is their lookout, and my lookout is as simple as that. I've been given a responsibility, and how I take care of the responsibility, how I deliver is the most important thing I can think of now. I will tell you maybe during the course of the time, I will maybe able to tell you more.
Would you have liked to contest the Jubilee Hills Assembly constituency?
No, as of now, I've got the MLC now, so I have no complaints.
Okay. MLC seat is also under a little bit of a cloud because of the case that is pending in the Supreme Court.
Right.
Does that make you a little nervous?
No, I'm never nervous. Okay, I was only nervous when I was batting. Now I'm not nervous.
Okay, did you watch the Indian women's cricket match, and what did you think about Jemimah Rodriguez's innings?
I didn't see the match because I was very tied up yesterday. But I think I must congratulate the Indian women's team for doing so well. They came very close to winning the World Cup in about 4 or 5 years, 6 years back. But I'm hoping that this time they will definitely do well and bring and win the World Cup, which is very.
Jemimah did a fantastic innings there.
I read. I saw it on Cricket Buzz in the scorecard. She batted. I didn't see her bat. Maybe when I go back, if I have time, then I will go and jog my memory and then see the match.
And I want you to wish them on camera to the women's team.
I wish the women's cricket team the very best, and I'm sincerely hoping and praying and rooting for you to win this World Cup. We came very close to winning the World Cup about some years back, but I hope, inshallah, you don't.
We are going to be repeating it in 2025, hopefully.
Definitely. Thank you.
So yes, Azharuddin, even as he talks about his own new innings as a minister in the Telangana cabinet, he is wishing the Indian women's cricket team, of course, that they should repeat 1983 and bring the World Cup to India. I must point out actually that Azhar has come to the statue of Indira Gandhi. She was assassinated on this date in 1984, and he has come here soon after the swearing-in ceremony at Raj Bhavan. He headed straight to this place, which is at which to pay homage to the late leader. Back to you.
Uma, thanks for that exclusive conversation with Mohammad Azharuddin out there, who has been sworn into the Telangana cabinet. Of course, we will keep coming back to you for more details on that story and development.